All right, everybody. What's good? What's Gucci? What's good? See. So yeah, let's get into the market today. I'm looking for a short again here. I want to save good, get a SMT here. Yo, bro, what's good? What's Gucci, my boy? My trainer, what's good? I got break even yesterday. Bro, I cashed out at a 6RR, bro. I was up 12%, bro. And the market, I don't know, man. They said I breached the rule. They said I risked too hard. I risked too much, and I somehow broke the equity balance rule. I don't know how, bro. I checked because when I entered the trade, I literally top ticked it, right? So the market never hit my threshold of my equity balance. But I don't know how, man. So you're too risky. What? Yeah, it's crazy. I got another one, bro. I got another one. I got another account. I had to go buy another one because when I breached it, they literally lost my account. They want to give me my account back. So profit gone. Yes, sir. Now I just got another one here. Now, my take profit and stop losses are different now. Now I'm gonna go for a fixed 3RR. I feel like this is way better. What the problem having is I'm having a emotional problem where I have like the take profits they're not unrealistic. Is that they're the greed problem is the problem, right? And as well as the partialing. I don't like partials, man. And on challenges account, I can't risk 2%. They won't let me. They said you gotta risk 1%. I was like, okay, so I have to risk 1% per trade and challenges as well. So yeah, it's gonna be easy though, because now since I have a fixed 3RR, I'm gonna go for what I'm saying, just 3R trades. So three trades on a first phase should be maybe passed, and two trades on phase two should maybe pass, which that is light work. I got clocked in buys. Yeah, I mean the buys still the same, man. Although it may look like it's going up. Like right now, I would still be in a trade here. I still would have been in a trade, bro. My stop loss never got met. My stop loss right over here. I would still be in a trade, but the prop firm fucked around with me, bro. I don't know why. It's kind of crazy, bro. I see you made some good money yesterday. I did, bro, but the prop firm said I breached it. I breached the rule. I don't know how, bro. But yeah, it's not a big problem, man. We learn from it. I literally got a drawdown. I was like, bro, I'm up 4%. I could literally need one more trade, and eventually, boom, right? Like I said, oh yeah, you breached the rule. What? What are you talking about? Which profit was that? It was the funding pips, as well as, you know, it was the funding pips with the rule was the equity balance, as well as the too risky. What the fuck is too risky mean, bro? I don't even risk that much. I risk the right amount. You know, I risk the right amount of that account, but too risky, and they said as that, as well as the equity balance. Equity balance never hit. It never hit my equity balance. They never hit my threshold. I don't know how they got me like that, but it's all cool, bro. You know, I'm not gonna get mad about that. Try risk 1.5%. So if I'm going for a what do you call it, a fixed 3RR, 1.5% would be, because what I'm trying to, the reason I'm going for a fixed 1.3RR is simply because that partialing, bro. I do not like to partial. I do not like to be in the market and partial my positioning. That shit pisses me off, chat. Like that's literally why I literally went to a what do you call it? To a fixed RR. If you are 5%, then back to break even. That's a breach. Maybe that was it. Yeah, bro. I was down to -8%. I got it out of Jordan to +4%. Right, with one single trade. They said I risked too much because of that. I made money. I didn't even lose money, bro. I literally top ticked this trade, bro. I literally top ticked it. This is a yesterday trade, chat. This is right here. We top ticked the trade, bro. Right over here, top ticked it, and eventually they said somehow I breached it, bro. I don't know, bro. They always upset when a trader wins. It's all cool, bro. It's all part of the game here, bro. But yeah. Let's see GU, bro. I want to see some sort of a pullback before a pushback over. If this works out good in our favor, it goes down. Today I may look for a shorting on the 1 p.m. macro. Yeah, funding pips. You can't risk more than 3% of the leftover drawdown. Yikes! 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 It's kind of it's you know. Now this just tells me I gotta risk 1% per trade. But my boy said risk 1.5%. So if I risk 1.5% for a fixed 3RR, 1.5 plus 3. I don't know the math. Maybe the math, bro. Sick trade though, lol. Yes, sir, bro. It was a light work, but the fucking profit got me. He got me. They got me. They got me. Hold on, 1.5 times 3. I don't know what math, bro. Oh, it's 4.5. What? So if I'm risking 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. 3. Nah, I'm not risking that much. Yeah, I'm good with 1% risk. So what's the hot and last process? The same thing as yesterday, bro. The same thing as yesterday. But just with the extra context, which is the SMT of the previous day high here. Just the extra context. And the crazy part is, chat, we never got stopped out here, bro. We never got stopped out. Market, our stop loss is right over here. You know, market never stopped us out. I call that gay. But I'm looking for a pullback to over here. Could get some sort of SMT, bro. Come on. It was a SMT, man. You don't want to give SMT. Just pull back a little. Pull back a little.
Remember.
With SMT with the previous day high, it's with DXY. Check it. You guys gotta pay attention to DXY more than the fucking GU, bro. DXY, you gotta pay attention to both. I may get another home monitor just to I might get another screen just to get DXY and GU here. You bearish still, bro. Look how the market's going. It's still going to our direction here, bro. We still woulda, shoulda, coulda been a trade, and we still been in the same position. I got out right. I bottom checked it as well. I got out right when I came. Literally, I came out of the gym at 8. I saw the market. I was like, yeah, I'm out. And the reason I said why I'm out is because, like, I said I'm on. During that time, I said like I'm only gonna go for a fixed 3 RR because I'm having a partialing problem. I don't want to partial my trades, bro. I hate doing that shit. Because the reason I used to miss so much trades, so many like profits, is because I used to have a partial system. I had to get rid of that shit. I'm going for a fixed RR. I'm just gonna go for a fixed 3 RR only, nothing else. But let me just give you guys a hard tip from analysis paralysis. On the weekly time frame, weekly IRL to ARL, weekly CR to the upside, but it's short to the long term. In a weekly time frame, a small fair value gap, which we don't really care about. As well, we have a 4-hour weekly CRT. To the downside, we have a daily classic expression profile to the downside. Monday high of the week. How come? Because Monday had SMT with Tuesday. And usually, if your setup is right, the next day would either give you if you're right on Monday and your batch is correct and you go with the longer term drawn liquidity, the Tuesday wouldn't stop you out. So Tuesday wouldn't make a Monday as a range. You just do an SMT. You can see SMT happen and eventually market went down lower. As well as we had a daily premium ERL discounted IRL, as well as a daily SMT to the downside, another daily CR to the downside. We as well have a SMT with the previous weekly high, another SMT as well to the downside here. Now, on the forward time for market analysis context, we have range high, range low. How comes the range high? Weekly CRT high. How comes the range low? Weekly CRT low. We have a daily range, super high, super low, stable high, stable low, premium discount. When the premium daily range was sell, as well as SMT with daily range high, so that is holding very nice. As well, key levels are range high, as well as this fair value gap and many other things here. And what else we have here? We have a New York continuation. Donation made the high of the day. You see, donation did make the high of the day here, as well as that is it. We have a bearish order flow. We recently broke a low. We've been breaking a low for our bullish order flow that goes above this, which you never close above. So the order flow is still relatively bearish until the market says otherwise. But my CRT is this candle. I'm just gonna go for a fixed 3 RR. The reason I got the trade is because I said I'm gonna go for a fixed 3 RR. I'm having a partialing problem where I get greedy, or where I, like the partialing messes you up. I used to make do you guys remember the 15 RR trade we had? The 15 RR trade. Guess how much we made from the 15 RR trade? A 9 RR, like a 9% gain from a 15.5% RR. That does not sound right to me personally, bro. I mean, that did cover all the losses, made us, all profits back, but that right there, like I took that on live account as well, bro. I made her like what, a 90% return. That I was risking 10%. Yes, but wondering why you're using 10%. It's a small live account, so I could be more on risk. But the higher the live capital goes, the rest of my risks. The usually, if it goes around like let's just say 10K account, I'm risk probably 5% per trade on a 10K account. Eventually from there on forward, scale down lower. But until 50K, I'm feeling like right after hit 10K of the account, I'm looking to risk fucking 5% to 50K. After 50K, risk 3% or 2% or 1% as well. If you have gone for a 3 RR, then you would have made 3 RR only, not 9 RR. But this is where the gambles comes from. Like you know, we can hit that 9 RR. You know we can hit the 15 RR. That's not the problem. The problem is the partialing. That's the fucking problem here, bro. This trade, if we're hitting this what? That's right here gonna be a what? It's gonna be a fucking 8.3 RR. We still would be in a trade still. We still be in a trade because market never hit a stop loss. Stop loss right on threshold. It still never hit our stop loss here. But the problem is partialing, bro. I hate partialing. And this is way more consistent. I see I had literally one of my friend, he's a good old, you know, he calls himself a institutional trader. You know, he's been trading for like what, 2 decades. He says I only go for a 3 RR. Like he said, yeah, and guess what? He's an ICT trader with CRT, but none like he traded CRT, but not really, right? More on the ranges of ICT, the age decision range, because he trades on decision mainly because of the age decision range. You can see the market used the age decision range to push to the downside. Right, so that's all he trades. He literally called it straight to the downside today. He literally texted me about that. But he only goes for a fixed 3 RR, nothing else, bro. And like that's for the longer term basis. That's like, you know, avoid emotions, avoid having the what problem that's like avoiding the what is it called? What problem was that? Avoiding a lot of psychology problem as well. Avoiding, you know, he's making actually 3 RR without, you know, if you go for a 3 RR, you partial, you're making what, 1.5 RR. But guess what? You're learning your runner is no longer a 1%, you know, runner. He's literally like what, a cut in half, like a 0.5% runner, which you ain't gonna make nothing out of that, bro. You feel me, chat? I gotta see though, bro. The reason I got out of this trade was because okay, I'm making way more than 3 RR. I'm gonna get out of this trade. I'm trying to go for a fixed 3 RR, and eventually I got out. But market got me. I don't know how, bro. They got us. They got us. Wait, how did you get out of break even, bro? Yes, but your winner is low, so higher R makes sense. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, my winner as well, like 30% win rate, bro. So, and you guys do know, like after a couple of trades, I do be having those high ass RR trades, bro. But with a, well, let's just say I have a 30% win rate. I go for 1 3 RR most of the time. I don't have a 3%. I don't have a fixed 30% win rate. I have like a, what, a 40% ish win rate, and that right there adds up to I'm gonna be profit out of 10 trades still, or 1,000 or 2,000 trades. See what's up. I want to see at least a pullback here, bro. Pullback, you goofy ass nigga. Nigga jigga. I still have another account which is right on the phase 2 of the, but it's right now it's currently up 2%. I'm gonna get that account funded as well. I'm gonna get that account funded. But it's a low fucking capital, bro. I don't want to get that shit funded. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna fuck around with that account. Actually, I'm gonna play around with that account. I play around with it. I'm gonna trade the 1 p.m. session macro with that account and get it out or get it out and fund it.
It looks like that Nuketown 2025 car from Black Ops 2. That's why we're interested in it. Ooh. Does it need an engine swap?
Fucking brand new.
The combobulator down here, yeah, it's busted. It's toast.
What the fuck is a combobulator?
How much you asking?
It's on the thing for 73,000.
So considering the combobulator is busted,
I have no fucking clue what you're talking about.
it needs a new engine, and the paint job looks like shit, and there was rats in the engine.
You're kidding me, right?
What?
What do you mean it needs a new engine?
It just didn't sound right. It was like, tick, 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 tick.
Goodbye.
Can I at least make an offer?
Goodbye.
No, I have a reasonable offer. I'm not gonna lowball you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Would you be able to do 5,000 cash in a PlayStation 2?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Oh, shit, yeah.
Yeah!
You're kidding me, right?
Wait, no, you're what?
Yeah.
What?
Let me make a phone call, have you guys removed.
What? Remove?
I thought you were serious.
I'm Dom. Tommy Tough Knuckles. This is Billy Badass. It looks like that Nuketown 2025 car from Black Ops 2. That's why we're interested in it.
My boy said, not gonna lie, would be able to get a setup. Would we be able to get a setup here? Nah, probably not. Because market retrace real hard here. Market retrace on Ocean really hard, so it needs to move back below this range to target this low. Yeah, see how market's instantly moving with no setups, bro. I literally waited until 6 a.m., bro. Bitch ass nigga, they don't give me a setup, man. I was looking for a reason. Come on, you gotta pull back a little. Why didn't it hit up again? Because market retraced too hard, bro, to take out the top. Because market retraced up too hard. So it needs to go push back down. The market makers were losing too much money, so yeah, this was just an OTE as well, chat. Just to let you guys know, this was an OTE. Oh shit, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, wrong way again. You got me. It's an OTE. Leg number 2 happened because of OT, but they lose too much position OT, so they need to push back down harder. But your chance to short the shit down was on non-decision, bro, because this shit's not gonna offer us this in New York. Why did it not go back up to take out top to 1.129? Because of SMT, bro. SMT prevented that shit from happening. SMT my ass. Oh my goodness, I like that joke you say, bro. Actually, I may name it that. Fuck it. Let's see. I mean, wait, how is there like what's the best type of writing, chat? Is there, you guys got any type the best type of texture? Cursive. Actually, let me see. Cursive SMT cursive spelling. What SMT? SMT, shout out to SMT. Wait, I gotta put AS, SMT, my ass. Right, my MS. My ass. SMT, MA. Hold up. This one sound a little cool. Hold up. No, they wouldn't let me put it. I just put fucking. You crackhead ass niggas, bro. SMT my ass. Okay, it didn't work. I thought I was gonna put some cursive words, but cursive. You guys get it? The advanced English. Ay, 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 man. Oh, come on. You gotta decide off like pullback, bro. Come on. You know you wanna pull back. Come on. Push back. Pull, pull. Damn. Market tweaking up in his bitch, man. Hey, chat, who you got for Charles Oliveira versus Elite to Priya, chat? Who you guys got? Who you guys got? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
But only one of you!
I like what Khabib said when he got inducted to the UFC Hall of Fame.
A lot of people underestimate one thing when they become success. They all beginning to talk about this is because of my mindset. I work hard. But what about other millions and millions people around the world who work so hard, but they don't have this position, what I have? It's mean this is test from Allah. He give you this. He wanna test you, how you gonna handle this. And don't make this mistake, guys. Everything come from God, you know.
There are tons of people who are very successful who don't have mindset. Yeah, we looked at some people who have great mindset and they're successful. How many people are very successful, no good mindset? Inheritance can make you rich. Simply getting lucky on stocks can make you rich. Even this idea of mindset is one of the asbab. The asbab, it's the means by which Allah brings His will into the earth. He creates a means for this to occur. Your mindset is a means. So don't attribute success to your mindset.
Oh, I had a thing on, bro. I was just watching those TikTok. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. You just caught me. You just caught me. He can hear you? Yes, sir. I know, I know. Charlie the Bronx! Charlie! Charlie! Charlie the Bronx! Charlie de Oliveira! I love Charlie Oliveira, bro. Hey, the guy who was, supporting him, bro, he was just riding his ass, though, bro. That's a little too hard, bro. Charlie! Charlie the Bronx! Hey, in my ears, but that sound like he's riding it, bro. I feel like he's riding that shit. No way, you said Charlie the Bronx. Charlie the Bronx. Charlie. You got the physical Bezulek or Kabbalah later. What is it called? Chat funny as hell. Chat funny as hell. I think we get a pullback. I think we get a pullback. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me a pullback, please. I need a pullback. I need a pullback. Pullback. Yeah. Congratulator. Oh, come on, come on. You want to pull back, pull up a little harder, man. You got to make a high first. You got to make a high first. You know that. You know that. You're talking about the opening price. You know that. You know that. Mm. Well, I love this guy. Bro. Funny as well. They got a fixed customer. Salam, brother. How are you? All the welcome. Assalam. Alhamdulillah, man. Blessed to be alive, brother. Blessed to be alive on the day. Is the SMT on the lows? The SMT doesn't really matter, bro. We're overall bears. The SMT is which we need because I need the market to go up first before going lower. Come on, bro. Pull back up higher. Oh my goodness. Chatta. Bro, before I go to bro, chat, once it goes below this low, it's gonna be wicked, bro. Whoa, pause. Not like that, not wicked like that. What I mean is like, wicked like market's gonna go down hard. No, this gonna be a big Drake candle. Nah, actually, it's gonna be my candle. It's gonna be the Long John set of mine. My John is big. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. You guys want to see it? Only if you let me put it in. Otherwise, I want to put it out. Alright, no Diddy. Pause on that. I'm just joking, buddy. Calm down. Don't crash out on me like this, bro. Diddy wilding. I don't even know who the fuck. I don't know what is wrong. I don't even know what they're doing over there, bro. So I don't even know who the fuck. I just be hearing people say Diddy, no Diddy. So I just be saying no Diddy. I don't even know what that is. What do you do? I don't even know what he do. Cause all I saw, he was a Hall of Famer. I don't even know, bro. I think he's a Hall of Famer. The one time I saw like he's the LeBron James said there's no party like Diddy party, so I feel like he's a chill guy. Hey, party like his party. Cray. I'm trying to be in that party. I'm just joking. Oh hell no. This as an old one, I never forget a dude does it with gays, kids, middle ages, teens, just everybody. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, you didn't have to tell me that, bro. Hey, chat, I'm joking though, chat. I'm joking though. Don't give me don't get this mismatched. I'm just joking. Some of y'all niggas be crashing out on me, bro. Especially the people in Discord. You thought you crashed out? Bitch, I just crashed out. Nigga, I crashed out. Nigga, well, fuck, nigga. Go back up, nigga. Higher. Push up. Push. 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 Bro, I need you to push, bro. You ever tried trading gold? Yeah, we offer that in our pay signal group. My boy Professor Shane trades it every single day. We could see you could see our recent gold our limited time gold signals. We be trading that shit for the past year. We be killing that bitch. We making it. We making it like you know like how cow milk get, you know what I'm saying? That's what we doing. But yeah. I don't know how I mean yeah, cause I don't know how my brother Shane does that though. I don't know how he does that, bro. We got before and afters of it. I don't know, and that was like lively given to the Discord and shit, but I do not know how he's doing that shit. He's trading gold, boom 500, crash 500, magnetic pairs, crypto. I don't know, like forex pairs all at once. I'm like, how are you doing this shit? I mean, the thing is, with him, he trades a higher time frame, like a swing trader. You know, that's why he trades like what 4 hour, 8 hour. So his setups are different, so he could trade multiple at once. I was like, damn, bro. I don't want to expose him, but you know, I don't want to expose his life, but he's eating good. I'm trying. Once I go to Miami, bro, I'm gonna pull him up. I'm gonna be like, yo, pull up. Once I head to Miami very soon, not very soon, like probably in 2 years, then probably next year, bro. If next year goes good, bro, we put it up to Miami, bro. So I'm gonna get an apartment there. Cause the environment matters, bro. Where I live right now, bro, low environment, and they see a Bugatti, you know, I'm like, damn, well, that could be me, bro. That could be me right there. Inshallah, brother. Inshallah. I'm pretty sure you're in Europe, right? Yes, sir, bro. You're in what? You're in what? You're in England, some shit like that. Over there is clap. All of the money over there is worth more than money over here. Over there is clap, bro. Y'all like clapped over there. Just get down, guys, bro. What people would do in Miami, haram stuff goes on there. Yes, sir, bro. I know, brother. I know, brother. UK, yes, sir, ski. Man, I'm a very religious person, man. I pray 5 times a day. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. today just to pray, bro. Cause I gotta wake up early, man. Prayer is always number one. Everything else is second. I wake up. I pray every day. I read 5,000. You know, I would call it. I read Quran and I listen to translation of the Quran where I can actually understand what I'm reading. You know, if you're praying and you don't understand what you're saying, there's no point of you praying. You know. Like how that guy says, the other guy prayed for 70 years. He was perfectly praying, right? But the thing is, he was praying for the wrong reason. He's praying for his voice, not for the actual thing. So he forgot, you know. I don't know how he only cared about his voice. And he got punished for that. So yeah, I'm trying to know, you know, maybe more. Trying to know even more, brother. Come on. I didn't want to push up high a little bit, bro. What the fuck are you doing, dude? Push it. Push, push. Push, push. Push, push. Man, the yesterday trade was so good. The profit got me messed up, bro. Damn, they said I make 6K profits, but I said you're using too, you're risking too high. What are you talking about, mate? What are you talking about, bro? Just give me money. They did that and they breached my account. What? They said rule violation. 2 rule violation. What the fuck are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Water. My boy Trader, how did you go to fucking break even, chat? My boy Trader, how did you go to break even? I got clapped in buys today. Damn. You got clapped. You got your cheese. Why did you long it up? You know you're still bearish, bro. I mean, why did you long it up though? You're still bearish. How did you go to break even on a 5 hour, it was a what? A freaking 5.5 hour gain. I don't know how you went to break even on that, bro. Ah, man. I. Environments. Environment. Bro, I need to see a little stronger pull, bro. Come on. That should close the next 19 minutes, bro. Pull, bro. Push.
That word, let me get a 3X white t-shirt, man. Hey, you used to come in, right? Yeah. Yeah? I used to come here all the time. I live on Everhart. And what happened? Why you moved? Yeah, I've been locked up, man. Locked up? Who up? How long you been locked up for? I just did 5 years? Damn. I'm not gonna lie. How many times did you drop the soap on purpose? That again? I said, like, how many times, when you be, like, showering and stuff, you know how it's slippery and stuff, like the soap, like the shampoo and stuff like that, like, how many times did you drop it? Some type of goofy or something? A little bit, but, like, I mean, I'm saying, like, hey, man, we ain't even gonna come on, I came in white t-shirt, you get the action, I'm touching this shit like I'm some type of goofy. I mean, we can take it there if you want to. I can show you why I went back. Want to go back? I mean, if you want me to go back, you can. Nah, hell no, bro. I like that you came out. Came out like, now I'm saying like came out jail, Come on, bro. Out of jail. Out of what? Came out of jail. Came out of what? Yeah, jail. Came out of jail. Come on, bro. Hey, nah, come on. What's that word? Let me get a 3X white t-shirt, man. Hey, you used to come in a while ago, right? Yeah. Yeah? I used to come here all the time. I live on Everhart. And what happened? Why you moved? Yeah, I've been locked up, man. Locked up? Who up? How long you been locked up for?
Shelly de Bronx, Shelly Oliveira. My boy said yes, but our winner is low, so higher R makes sense. Yes, sir, bro. It definitely makes sense. I think 3R is like the standard. Bro, our winner is ass, bro. Our winner is wicked. No, it's not about our win rate. It's about our we break rules. So it's not because of that. It's not because oh yeah, our win rate is low because how that's our system is. Is it that we break our system? That's the problem. Which will never happen again. Which it didn't happen on this trade, but Marcus says something like yeah. They want to do business with me, man. Man, you breach one rule, they take out your whole account, bro. What's wrong with it, bro? Branda. Let's see if we can get a strong pullback here, bro. Let's see if we can get a strong pullback to the high here. Come on, man. Like it's cooked, bro. Like 20 pips is strict, bro. You breach one rule, you're cooked. They don't even give you a warning, bro. Like, bro, come on, man, come on. You know what it is. I try to finesse it. They said, nah, bro, don't work like that. I don't even argue. I was like, oh, okay, thank you. I'm out. Alright, I buy another one. Right after that, right after chit chat, I bought another one, you know. Lightweight, light work. Money just prints. Money is fake, chat. You guys know this, man. Money is just an idea. When you make money, it's just like when I make money from markets, it's just from an idea, bro. When I lose money, it's just from an idea. Natural, take a natural account. Where's that account from, bro? Like where is it based on? Cause I don't want to get cooked with the country shit. Don't tell me it's based from where? Don't tell me it's based from India. Don't tell me it's based from India, buddy. I'll come get you. I'm for you, my boy trader. My boy. Listen, don't take nah, bro. Take the natural account, bro. I already bought another one right after chit chat, so I ain't gonna complain with her. Italy, I think. Oh, natural account. Nah. Natural account from. How come? Wait, is it repetitionable? Bro, I think. Cause I might get this after this funny pips, bro. Bro, no, you bitch ass nigga. Natural flooded account. Balls itching. $400 for a what? For a 50K? You must be out of your fucking mind here. Daily drawdown 4%, total drawdown 6%. You tripping here. That's just scamming you guys, bro. That's just scamming y'all asses here at this point. The one I'm in, what? Drawdown phase 1 is what? 6%, 10%. Phase 2 is 10% as well. No, they're both 8% phase. They're not like what? They're not 5% each. They're 10%. They're 8% each. 10% target. You're tweaking, bro. Daily drawdown. Oh, I fixed the phase 1. That's why I'm like 360. That's still scamming the shit out of you, bro. 260 for a 3-phase. Target goal is 8%, 5%, 5%, and funded. Yeah, bro, that's not worth it, bro. Right now, bro, it's not worth it. Yeah, I did type natural profit. I did. It's cray, bro. It's cray. Let's see if we can get SMT, man. Let's see if we can get SMT. Divergence. I could bet there's not a legit high there. There's not a legit high. I told you guys, bro. You see, it's not a legit high here. We need to get a repurge. To get a repurge. What new account you bought? 50K, bro. 50K account. Man, I got like infinite money. Like, money is fake, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. It's just that right now it's kind of difficult due to fucking some leaking problem, which literally that trade I was up plus 4%. Like yeah. Now I'm on drawdown, but my boy was tweak upping on me, bro. Two step, how much? For a two step is 360. For mine's is what? I think 260 as well. But that other one's, yes, you add up a whole another $100, bro. That's like, hey, bro, scam your shit. You tell me that, bro. I think market's pushing a little too hard here, bro. Like, I know this pushes up. I need a closure below this candle at least. I want to see a legit high to be here though. I don't have legit highs. I'm looking for a repurge. Looking for a repurge. I'm looking for the repurge. I think we got some sort of OT here because it's just Standard Session did have a CRT here, as well as he did have a OT here. So we have a high, low, higher, high, lower, low. We got OT up in his beach. We got OT up in his beach. Yo, let's just take a turtle soup right over here, bro. Could take this turtle soup down. Turtle soup, turtle soup. Turtle soup, turtle soup. Oh shit. Let me lock in, bro. My feet was low key cold today, so I need to put some blanket. I need to put some blankets on, but I don't need no more. Now I get it. Now I get it. Now we're good. We got SMT here though. We got SMT impact. Yeah, Diddy. SMT here though. Bro, but SMT bow, I need that bow, but the bow, I need a legit hard here though, so please, please do your due diligence of making a low here first, then make a high, man. That's what I need, bro. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking retard. Get the fuck out of here.
Crazy. Favorite show to watch. 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 Come shopping with me at Costco to see what groceries I buy to stay looking like this. Can you hear me now? We're gonna start this video by putting some bananas in chicken skewer. 2 skewers alone gives you a whopping 24 grams of protein. It's quick, easy, and I promise you delicious. The macros on this grass-fed beef sirloin are amazing. Each serving gives you
Puta. Sensoze. My boy Trader, did you get a payout from that trade, bro? Or are you still at the toes to it? Come on, please respect our CRT. Put some respect on my fucking CRT, bro. I'm looking for how to get repairs, bro. I'm looking for his side to get repairs. Nah, bro, I'm down 1%. You good, you good. We're gonna get out of the trade right now. Don't worry. We're gonna get a 3 RI trade right over here. Then you're gonna be out of drawdown. You could be up 2%, don't worry. If it works out in our favor, which, hey, if you take that long session short, you should be up. You hit your entry at 5 a.m. You should be up on that shit. Shine that shit. Right here. Shine that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yes. They call us the market patulos. But the market whoa, what are you doing, bro? Let's see if we can respect the range. Respect the range. We're done for the day, chat. If it does not respect this range, we're done. Cause we can't take the 9 a.m. We only take the 8 a.m. for new situation as a maximum one. If it disrespects this range, we are done. Fortunately. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes, good boy. Come on, good boy. No, bad boy. Good girl. Push back lower, nigga. Nigga jigga push lower. Nigga jigga. Push lower. Please stay right there. Pause for a minute. Pause for 40 seconds, please. Oh, come on. I bet you not. You ain't gonna do that. I bet you not. You ain't gonna stay still. I bet you. 4 seconds. Come on. Yes. Nah, I'm looking for the how to get Purse. Have the how to get Purse. Then I'm looking for number one. Then we look at the trade that shit down.
Other day, your mother. Before I died. Yeah. Yeah. Don't do those. I probably school. Gonna be ready in like 2 minutes, right? Hey, bro. It's big game, bro. Game, bro. How I feel. Then how I feel about it. Mother's Day. Your mother. I'm going to.
What the fuck is this TikTok shit, man? What am I watching on TikTok, bro? It's crazy. Okay, no. We gotta lock in. Bro, I'm gonna delete TikTok, bro. Fuck it. Bro, I gotta delete that thing where I can. Bro, I just wanna see the TikTok studio, bro. Keep on getting distracted with it. Okay, I wanted to disrupt again. Damn, I'm having a fucking. I'm tweaking out myself, dog. What? What is wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you? What is wrong? We still got SMT, bro. Pull, bro. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. I can't bury you, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's not get clapped today. Let's not get clapped. We're here to build an empire. We tell at 50% of the threshold LTE, so we're good. We're looking for a trade here. Looking for a 1 to 3 RR fixed. I ain't going more than 1 to 3 RR. I want to see how this goes because I feel like this is way better, you know, in my personality. It's Tuesday, right? Yeah, I thought it was Saturday or Sunday or some shit like that. Alright. We're going for a 3 RR. That's all we care about. We could definitely go here and make more, but the thing is, let's see how this goes. You know, we're in a journey. I want to see. I want to see. Because I don't want a partial, bro. If I go down here, partial here, bro, I'm going to get... nah. Because if I go down here to this low, this is the 1 a.m. low, still making an 8 RR here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, my nigga. Let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. See if we get a push below this low. If we get a push below this low, we're looking at that Marble 1 there impact. We got an SMT here as well. That's a good sign. Got a big bell. Big bell. Uh. Let me check something. Let me check something. Wait, you right? You look, you right though. So if I let's just say I'm risking 1.5%, right? For 3 RR each on a challenge phase account. So 3 RR by 3 times 1.5. Because I gotta do my maths. It's 4.5. 4.5 plus 4.5. 4.5 plus 4.5. That's 4 plus 4. So this trade like this would make us pass phase 1 easy, right? 2 trades would make us pass phase 1, another then eventually 2 trades should make us pass phase 2. Because I want to get to phase 2, if I decide make a 4.5 hour gain, eventually the next trade, I want to make enough, I'm gonna get out of the trade and get a finite account and get right back into the trade if possibly they let us. Okay, so 4.5 plus 4.5. 9 RR. Alright. That's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna do like that. That with a 3 RR each. Like that sounds good, bro. Let me go change it quick. I hit the timestamps with this shit. Blood clot. Energy. I should be up higher than this. Let's see, still got the SFT impact here. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How you doing, my boy? Rasul Nurmatov. Whoa. Okay, market seems a little crazy here. No more SMTs here. I think we got a 4-hour CRT here in pack. 4-hour CRT, right? We got a 4-hour CRT here now. Nope, still no 4-hour CRT. Let's see if we can have the 4-hour CRT here. We do have SMT with these lows, but they go against our bias slow. We don't really give a shit about it, bro. Bro, I am by Eurousd. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, bro. I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, man. May Allah keep doing good, brother. This SMT does not look like I want to go all the way back down here. Okay, we still have this Islet CRT here. We still have this Islet SMT CRT. Let's see if we can have this model one. If this one, if it does impossible to the downside, I'm first looking to take the threshold. If it does a big, impossible to the downside, I'm looking to take the fucking model one and put a stop right above the body. Let me just change the rule right here. So yeah, because this right over here now would need us to have 2 trades instead of 3 here. So that's fantastic. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy Trader. That's a good advice. That right there is a good advice. So yeah, so now we need only 2 trades instead of fucking 3. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see if we get a Model 1 right over here. We need to see a Model 1, or we can get this for a CRT play here. Okay, we got a legit high there as well. So let's see if we can get either of that. We do got a 0.79% mark there. We could get a quick um no, the total super shit. Total's a constant, bro. That's all I'm trying to say. Alright, so for new situation, there's a forward here. It's the 1 AM at the high, right? Yep, we're gonna make the high. So for new situation, there's a forward CRT upper the forward CRT over the outer CRT. Only when there's no forward CRT, only when there's no forward CRT, process the outer CRT. Okay. Probably low still has not been souped here, so we still don't have any SMT. Alright, I need this high to get pursed in the next. I mean, we're still gonna trade this pair. We still have the outer CRT there, but I need this high needs to get paired pursed quick. But yeah, so we did the CRT haven't had legit high, so market legit high here, market went up higher. Now looking for the right amount of one. And we're looking to execute this. In this case, our entry would not be the resistance block, because the resistance block does not look like it's it is the wick in my eyes. On what I see right now, it's not that bigger than the body here. The wick is not bigger than the body, so we're taking the resistance block. What I mean by that, what I mean by that is not the body. It's not a big portion of the number one. Salaam alaikum assalam, my boy Tahir Mustafa. How are you doing, my Habibi, my everything? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? So if I do get bad entries around here, those bad entries are gonna go for a 3R as well. So they all need to match up to a 3R each. Let's see if we get a setup here though. I need to get that right amount of one here. It's gonna be a risky one. It's gonna be a really risky one, but we have an OT here. The forward CRT had to not get pressed somehow. I don't know why, but yeah. And maybe this may go in a good loss, but yeah, let's see. Alright, so I'm risking 9.4. 9.4. Oh, what are you selling, bro? Because of the higher time frame. This forward CRT, there's an SMT here, but that to me does not make sense at all. And the order block didn't even get tapped here. We have did upside, yeah, but everything could be patternized, bro. It's like, you know, your bots could be bullish, my bot could be bearish, so it's all depending on you, on your trading style, bro. So however you buy it, how you buy it. If you're bullish, you're bullish. If I'm bearish, I'm bearish. You know, doesn't really matter what we are. As long as we learn and shit, that's all that matters. Let's see if we get the right model one here. Let's see if we get the right model one. Let me get my account ready here as well. So we have a 9.4 pip stop loss. 9.4 pip stop loss. That seems risking. Let's see if we get the model one model one confirmation. Let's see in the scandal. Let's see if we can get this in the scandal right over here. It's not Eurousd. It's Eurousd. Oh, that's the hourly. I'm wondering like what the. All right, so we have 8 seconds of scanner closure. Let's see if we can get this model one here. All right, let's see if it taps the body. I'm looking to take a trade, but if it doesn't tap the body, we're still looking to take a trade. But if it taps the body, I am not looking to take any trades here because the model one confirmation is not there. And I'm just going for a 3RR. That's all I'm going for. Did anybody GU? People, a lot of people bought it, bro. I don't know. Let's see. I'm just going for a 3RR, fixed RR. That's all I'm going for. No partial, none of things. So it's straight TP or stop loss. This is way better because this helps you with my trade way more. I just made 6R. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And just now closed it. Yes, sir. Good shit, man. Good shit. Congrats to you, my boy. Congrats to you. Congrats to you, my boy. My jiggy boy. Drawdown to funded low, yes sir, bro. You know mine was a negative 8% to positive 4%, bro. Crazy, bro. We had the same story here. Nice. Okay. Let's see. If he taps the body, we're not looking to get traded. But if he doesn't tap the body, I am. If he doesn't tap the body, I'm still looking to get traded, but I must have the right model one confirmation here at first. My boy said I need explanation. That will happen. That will happen after I take this trade because there's a setup forming right over here. I don't want to be missing the setup here. I don't want to be missing the potential setup that can potentially occur. They could potentially occur. Alright, if he tests the body, we're not looking to execute this trade here. Still has not tapped the body yet. Alright, taps the body. We're not looking to the trade. We're not looking to take the trade. Now let me go explain to you my explanation to why I'm looking for a short. So on the weekly, we're weekly right over here. Currently, we're weekly for VI gap to the downside, weekly series to the downside. But overall, on the weekly time, we are overall bullish. But there's a short-term indicator of the long-term indicator because we're day traders, right? Our trade lasts a couple hours or a day, not for that long. We have here a weekly IRL to ERL. On a daily, we have a expansion daily range premium discount. When the premium daily range will go down to the range low, or go back to the discount. We're going for a premium ERL to discounted IRL. As well, we have a classic exhibition profile to the downside. Monday high of the week because we have Monday have SMT with a DXY. We as well have SMT right over here, another SMT with a weekly 50 high, as well as we have a premium ERL to discounted IRL. As well, it has another daily SMT CRT to the downside, with Monday being our CRT, and that's what we got in the higher time frame. We're as well selling above the weekly opening price. We're selling on the wick. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame with this 4-hour daily range, super high, super low, stable high, stable low, premium discount. When the premium daily range will go down lower, we as well have a near continuation. As well as that, we have a range high to the range low. How come the range high? Weekly CRT high. How come the range low? Weekly CRT low. We have another range here. How come the range high? We have SMT range high here with a range high. So this is the daily CRT high, as well as we still have a bearish order flow until this high gets tapped into. Before this, once this high gets broken above, the order flow is officially bullish. As of right now, the order flow is still bearish. We still have this, this other CRT right over here that on a daily time frame, we have this daily CRT to the downside as well. So there's way more concentrated to the downside than upside. But if I see the dynamic definitely change, I would definitely go bullish. But I don't see enough context here for me to go bullish here. I want to see more context before I can do that. So let's see. I want to see this high gain price go right back lower from there. Let's see if that can happen potentially here. Let's see if that could potentially occur. I'm here to learn from you, not to go by my bias. It's all based, once you get the concept, once you learn the concepts, bro, you can make your own bias, or you can have your own perspective. You know what I mean, chat? You know what I mean, my boy Thah here, Mustafa. But you gotta go basic, because all of the weekly is bullish, the daily is bearish, because our trades is very short term. It only lasts like what, a couple hours, a day, right? It doesn't last a week. It doesn't last for like a very long term, so it's very short term movement here. So since it's very short term movement, we are not looking to prioritize a long term. We're looking to prioritize a short term, because the short term drawn liquidity will always lead to the longer term drawn liquidity. Let's see if the market could soup up this high right here. It's right on it. Let's see if we can get this high to get soup. Come on. I guess not. Damn, market fucking around a lot here, bro. Come on, tap this shit out. Come on. Tech dip. Okay, you purchased it out at the right time. Okay, we got a good purchase here. So now we have a 4 CRT. So we're gonna purchase the 4 CRT over the Alice CRT. We're no longer looking for that hourly, because hourly type and lower time frame. We don't want to be getting caught on that trap. 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 Mistrap. Said another one. And meat man. Destruct. Destruct. So I want to see the scan to close a little. It's not a bit of a can. We could definitely get a push down here hard and eventually get that tree. Oh shit. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get this model one here in a 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, I'm looking to take the it's called the resistance block as our entry here, as our potential entry, because resistance block looks way bigger here in my eyes. So we got a expansion. We're gonna have a reversal, retracement expansion to the downside. Let's see, let's say, I,
Doing like filler outside of a big event is because the UFC is trying to get filler, just maintain until they can get a new. Understand this, the number that I keep on hearing getting thrown around is anywhere from $1 to $1.2 billion. And the ESPN deal is going to be up at the end of the year. And again, just about everything they don't want to re-sign with ESPN right now. Okay, Dana does some stuff that I just disagree with. I do believe back. A lot of stuff that Dana gets blamed for is quite literally ESPN's fault. The entire fighter sort fiasco where MMA fighters lost up to from 70% of their revenue off of brand partnerships is purely because ESPN said they didn't like it. Yeah. Russell deal with ESPN. Okay, so that is that the ESPN deal is over. That's going to open up again. You're a Netflix. I'm hearing. But no, the reason is like it's not as they can. Let me give you Maya versus Ricketts is a co-main of Maya. He
Alright, let's see if we can get this Model 1 here. Let's see if we can get this Model 1 here. Chat, in your eyes. Fuck you guys' eyes. You got the don't deserve eyes here. Oh, we got XMT! Shatter to ICT! Yeah, J. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Yeah, we got SMT here. We got SMT. Beautiful. Oh, we got another SMT. Beautiful. All right, which one looks better here, man? Because I literally, realistically, I don't know if the market will go to the rejection block or this rejection block. You're gonna see the RR base here then. Okay. Three RR, bro. Just put it to fucking 3 RR, dog. Okay, so 3 RR to this, like that. But it all depends. So if the market does a big impulse to the downside, we could definitely change our stop loss here. I wanna go for a 3 RR only here. Okay, it's fucking with us. Alright. What looks better? What looks better? Is the Russian block bigger with the fucking wick? Yeah, in this case, I'm gonna go based on the number one because I don't feel like the Russian block is bigger because this wick is overweighting this wick, right? So I wanna go based on number one. But next, if the Russian block does get tapped and does go lower, next time I'll just go use the next time once it wants to see like a stubborn wick like this or a wick like kind of big, I will definitely enter the Russian block. But in this case, I'm gonna enter the model one because this wick right over here looks bigger than this wick, so I'm entering this model one right over here, which looks to be good, which looks good here as well. So yeah, looking for Bodger shorts. I'm looking to shell this shit. Looking to shell it. I'm looking to shell it. And my take profit is right down here for a 3 RR only. I ain't going what you're telling me. I ain't doing what you're telling me. Yeah, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna be greedy. Alright, so right over here. So we get the right model one here. Boom. Eventually we could enter that trade like that. In a 5-minute time frame, we as well have a model one, but see if we can get this closure. Blood clot. Ayo bloody pussy clot. Blood clot. The take profit may vary depending on where my entry is. If my entry is somewhere here, then I'm off to put my take profit right over there. So it all varies on the entry position. So I'm trying to go for a fixed 3 RR only. Mamma mia, mamma mia. We're selling above the 4-hour daily and the weekly. Looks beautiful again, like yesterday. Looks beautiful just like yesterday. Let's hope we don't get raped. Yup, I said it. Made 0.050%, made 0. On my long entry on Gbpusd. Made 0.50% on my long entry on Gbpusd. What did you trade? Did you trade T or T? What concept did you trade? Did you lose or did you win? What do you say? What did you say? You gotta say I lost. Nah, I made. But man, I don't know what you're talking about, man. Did you lose or did you win or what happened? Let's see how this kind of closes. Total 5 to stop loss. So we got a 12.5 pip stop loss, a 12.5 pip stop loss, a 12.5 pip stop loss. Yeah, bro. I also cooked in EU bot. I also got cooked in EU bots, bro. Trust me, chat. If your bots is wrong, market will give you setup back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. Trust me. I have been to that position before. I had my bias wrong. I was okay. First trade loss. I was like, this is why we only take one trade a day. Because if your bias is wrong, market will favor you. Market will be like, okay, here, just take this setup. Nope, take this setup. Take this setup. Take this setup. Bro, I was like, bro, how am I having 8 setups in a day? It doesn't make sense, but you know, when you have your bias wrong, you're technically bad pattern trading. So if your bias is wrong, let's just say you're bullish, but the market is actually bearish, you had your bias wrong, market will give you a lot of setups and it will be counted as a pattern trade. You know what I'm saying? You guys feel me? So yeah, don't play with the market here, because you can see if you're longing what from this candle, you lost, right? So market will constantly offer you, and guess what? This is not meaning to take profit yet. This one, EU. I don't know why you guys took out buy on EU, bro. EU never press out a low here. Oh, the 3 a.m. CRT, right? 2 a.m. There's no SMT here, bro. What are you guys talking about? What you guys are doing, man? SMT, shatter to ICT. Come on, we gotta get a closure below that. Come on. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know, you. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. One minute, okay. I took buys at 7 a.m., 15 minutes CISD. You guys took a fucking long? What? 7 a.m. It was a setup at 7 a.m. for a long. Yeah, as I said, bro, when you pattern trade, you're gonna have setups left and right. Market will favor you, but it's gonna be called as a pattern trading. I'm down on the weekly, like negative 1%, so all good shit. Bro, I was up 4%. I was up what? 12% on this week on Monday. But guess what? Market took it all. Ain't give me none of that shit. But it's all cool. It's all cool. Come on, bro. Push it out, nigga. Nigga jigga. Oh my goodness. No way it's gonna give us our fucking body here, bro. Well, let's see if we can get us a body. If it gives us a body, we're not taking that shit. We're not taking that shit. Shaking that shit. Okay, let's see. Did we close below? This candle low? It was the number one. Oh, I gotta see the CRT high. Okay, this is the 5 a.m. 5:15. Okay, we gotta legit high the CRT high, so that's all that matters. Alright, we don't have the right modern one entry, so if he taps his body, we're not looking to take a trade, but if he goes below it, we're still looking to take a trade. But if he taps the body, we are not looking for no trade. Market biggest up. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir, ski. Market loves me. My boss said, "Why is bro not moving anymore?" Oh my goodness.
This photo in
Hey, nigga, calm down. I'm playing with extra cheese. That doesn't make Hey, nigga, calm down. You heard me. It's your $5 meal. One plain extra cheese. Okay, only. Keep passing. You got eight for a nigga that's trying to get the grilled cheese. Thank you. Go see what happens. Hey, nigga, calm down.
Bro, it's just on TikToks, yes sir. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I gotta stop just an addict, bro. I'm gonna do that shit. I don't give a fuck. You gotta go, bro. Gotta go. That shit like be give me doom scrolling and shit, bro. Especially the funny ones. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, you see, we want to do fuck market. The market doesn't want to do nothing here, bro. Do something. If it's just that body, we're done for the day, chat. Wow, you want to do that shit? Really? Really? Are you? Oh, bounce down, roll the avalanche. That's my old bitch average. Isn't I am talking? Bigger name bitch in the back in it. Nigga, and I'm back on it. Back on it, I'm back on it. Nigga, and I'm back on it. You know, I'm back on it. Yeah. I was on rolling. Yeah, peace out. Yeah, peace out. See you guys later, man. It's even me as well. I'm gonna come back later to do the market recap and the trade recap yesterday. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace out. Bees. Just it's not gonna offer any setups because what we're gonna do is gonna go up here, stagnate until 12 p.m. and eventually 12 p.m. can start moving around, but till 12 p.m. we're gonna be in the market, bro. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.